Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Dirt Devil Endura Lite Bagless vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum, this lightweight and compact model is perfect for you. At less than 9 pounds, this vacuum packs the power you need to quickly pick up unexpected messes on your carpets and hard floors. And with no loss of suction, you can count on consistently powerful performance. Plus, the rinseable filter helps to extend the life of your vacuum. Say goodbye to messy trips to the trash can with the easy empty dirt cup feature. With just one touch of a button, you can empty the dirt cup without dealing with additional mess. But that's not all. The on-board quick-release extension wand gives you 6 feet of total reach, allowing you to clean higher surfaces with ease. And with the on-board toolkit, including a crevice tool and dusting brush, you can easily maneuver corners and tight spaces. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, be sure to check out the Dirt Devil Endura Lite Bagless vacuum cleaner. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.